Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start lesson. The name of the lesson, as you can see in the screen, is types of map. We have already done in the Google Classroom. So let's do a quick recap of the lesson. So as you can see in the picture on your screen, it is written in the previous chapter. We learned that a map is a representation of the Earth on a flat surface. Maps provide plenty of information about the Earth's surface in a simple and graphic manner. How do you think the spherical Earth is represented on a flat surface? It is definitely not easy. Think of it as using the skin of an orange and trying to flatten it out. You would have to squeeze, tear, and stretch the orange skin. Cartographers do the same to show the Earth's surface on a flat surface. Let us learn more about map and the types of maps. As we have already done the lesson, so you must have an idea about the maps. How the cartographer are the person who is to make maps. So map is the flat representation of Earth. As in the next picture, it is written about types of maps. So maps can be classified into two different types. The first one is small scale map, and the next one is large scale map. So in the first topic, it is written about small scale map. So what is about small scale map? Small scale maps are maps of a large area in a small size. They do not show much detail. Maps that you see in an atlas are small scale maps. The next term is large scale maps. So large scale maps are maps of a smaller area in a large size with more detail. An example is a topographical map. On the basis of content or purpose, maps can be classified as political map, physical and thematic map. So on large scale maps, maps can be classified on basis of content or purpose. Maps can be classified into political, physical and thematic map. So as you can see in the picture, it's an example of a political map. Political map shows the boundaries of countries, states, and districts with different symbols. It also shows the location of city, towns, and villages. Next example is all about physical maps. Let's go through the definition of physical map. A physical map shows the detailed picture of landform and water bodies like the mountains, plains, oceans, rivers, seas, and lakes with various colors. As you can see here, this picture is all about a physical map. Next one is thematic map. Thematic map shows specific features like the distribution of soil, minerals, crops, and populations. They focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall, and distribution of natural vegetation, industries, minerals, and many more. Climatic maps depict weather conditions such as temperature, rainfall, pressure, and wind direction of a particular place. The detail about a particular place is terms of tourist interest is called a tourist map. Now, the topic is about topographical map. The word topographical comes from topography. Topography means the upper structure of the Earth's surface. So most of the maps are only two-dimensional representation of the Earth. A topographical map also shows the elevation of the Earth's surface using contour line. Now, what is contour line? Contour lines represent the height of the landform above the sea level. A topographical map is known as a contour map. These types of maps depict detailed information about natural features as well as man-made features of a small area. It shows the detail of local landform, water bodies, and other cultural or man-made features. Now, what is contour line? Contour lines are imaginary lines joining the places of over the earth having the same altitude over the sea level. Now about the conventional symbol. Conventional symbols are used to show a variety of natural and man-made features on a map. These symbols are called conventional symbols because they are accepted internationally. People from any countries who are familiar with the conventional symbols can read a map easily. Some symbols represent natural features such as mountains, valleys, plains and rivers, while others shows the cultural or man-made features such as houses, buildings, temples, roadways and railways. Colors are used to show different features in maps. Some of the commonly used colors are blue, green, brown, and yellow. These are used to show the water bodies, vegetation, mountains, and deserts. Straight or curved lines are used to show the boundaries of countries, states, and districts, and the different types of transport lines. Some of the conventional lines, example of some of the conventional symbols are given here, such as bus station, taxi stand, light rail station, train station, airport, seaport, apartment, factory, museum, church, Chinese temple, mosque, Hindu temple, school, community hall, swimming pool, fast food, food court, cinema, public toilet, telephone, petrol station, resting area, golf course, playground, nuclear reaction. So with this, I'm ending this class here. In the next class, we will discuss whatever left. Till then, thank you.